Evie, you ready to eat? You ready to eat your cereal? Huh? Look. Is that yummies? Nom, 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 nom. Does that taste nummy? Are you looking at a puppy? Evie. Look. Cereal. Ooh, look at that. Yes. Ooh. You like your cereal today? You like your cereal today? Messy face. You missed your mouth. You want to get closer to the camera? You bring the camera closer to you. Whoosh. There we go. Now we can see the messy face. Here. You don't want no more? Was that a quick one? You like the spoon side better? You're not feeling it? You're not much of a cereal liker, huh? She got a cute messy face. Evie. Make it be a mom, woman. I'm just looking at the camera. You trying to be a star? Yeah. Eat. Eat. That's not what you eat, silly girl. Good. Here. Come on. Bless you. I wonder if I put some cinnamon in this, if you'll like it better. Okay. The angel eating cereal. Because someone's not wanting her cereal. Yeah. You don't want your cereal. Say bye. Eating with Evie. She's eating her bib. You didn't know babies ate bibs, huh?